Hey, it's your girl Timar. I don't know. When I've been waiting for a video for me to drop it for what? A week or now? Or a week? Or so? Jesus peace. It's not so long, man. Stop make it go on. So yeah, so we finally come now at the plaza up at Jazzy. Where on remember the at the airport one time the guy was speaking, everybody was very interested in that interview. So you all asked me to come and find a girlfriend. So me, I go find her and we're gonna sit down and have a chit chat. Alright? See the plaza nice. She will look good body. Cause I remember your subscriber say for show my body. Yeah. We got my husband who's the cameraman who's behind the camera. Yeah. Everything that I do, I have his support 100%. So big up my husband. Yeah. Them could have deal like a pack of deck. Me a wife, Christ. Anyways, come on video. Show the people some fine her. My fine her people. My fine her. Sorry for the delay. But we have finally reached. Alright.
Oh, this
Now,
is the famous YouTuber from
yes, I
Jamaica.
find the lady will have one man and the man send me for find her. People to the nice lady.
Hello.
But I never know say so she sweet, you know. Only look on the hairstyle, I mean I even stay on your style. Yes, right. So them know me how come nice our place. Big up our work partner.
Yes.
Swing the camera upon
My
her.
sister.
Okay, she's a sister.
Yes, she's my sister.
Yeah, you're not kind of favor for true, I kind of see it. But you don't know, the people them ask for you, miss. So I'm have to come search for you. I'm have to use a flashlight. I'm have to go under one part. I'm have to go down and go search for her. Because if fear man big up she's up on the media, we have to dash her up on the media. I'm not ask Christ. We have to search miss your boy, your fiance, because I predict marriage in your life.
Yes.
I don't want you just have him as a boyfriend. Marry the boy look nice.
Yes.
Your baby brother not look good friend. Friend your boyfriend nice, see?
Yes.
Hey, him big you up. Him talk about you.
I saw that video of it
Him
too.
talk about your goodie. And him say go for the plaza across some airport road and girl stick to the man there.
Yes.
Girl, make sure when the wedding I go on and invite me.
Yes, we have to invite you.
You can't marry that minute there. You're crazy. No, me say me da go on bad. I'm not going really bad for the media. But anyways, today is about you and your business.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I like the fact that your fiance actually make sure him not left you out. You know, you have some man that want to talk about. And I want to go a little bit more. Yeah, because you just want to catch the whole environment out. Good? Alright. Alright, one. I don't really want to put the rest in it. What's your name again? Can you just, I don't remember your name.
Alita.
Alita. I must remember it now. So Alita, your boyfriend did promote your business.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to go dive down in a little business part there and I will chat 1 and 2 times.
Yes.
From when you do hair, you do hair too?
Hair and nails. We
Hair
do
and
everything
nails?
here, yeah.
Okay.
Me
Well,
and
look
my
like you
sister.
want hair just to do. Me hair just a twin, me a personality about me. No, I'm a certified cosmetologist.
Okay.
That one is really true because I have my documents. I need the money, you know. I wear all different color wig. I don't know if you go on the channel and say you can say purple, green, all different color. You have sometimes I just feel like tone it down now. So I just put on a look light, you know, like a light color, yeah. But yeah, so people may have to come up and come work. But that what will make a work and walk up and do videos. So that's our next thing too.
Yeah.
Don't it? The time of kinda but we're gonna work out. Some people make a work out something with her. Yeah. So so how long is this is the first location or you were
Yes, this is our first location.
branching off as your own business owner?
Yes. First it was me and my mom.
Yeah.
And then she left and then me and my sister
Take it over.
yeah.
So how long are they at this location?
Over 10 years.
Seriously, but I think one time I come to my foot up here the first estimate.
Really? Yeah,
Yeah,
this is the
man.
first time I saw you.
Yeah, man, I think I come to my photo here one time. I think I in the last year, not 2023 or 2024. Because I live
Oh,
here.
I I don't know if you meet her here because I was away a little bit further.
Oh, so that means you wasn't here. Because
Yeah,
I
I
know.
had a baby.
Okay, I think the same person.
Yeah, for Luke.
Looking him right there. Sorry. Look, big up yourself at the airport. Some of them say baby mother, some of them like this girlfriend thing. I don't say baby man and baby
Oi.
father. So when you forget married, you know, can listen, we can't have the baby and this boyfriend and girlfriend and fiance. When you step it up, I'm want eat cake and me a push you not forget married because that me promote. Can you see me married quick time. Me could have bother. Me love my husband
Oh,
bad.
there was that.
Yes, man, that tall, dark, and some chocolates, man. Good come now, like, hey, you beautiful that talk, boy, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Every talk, him should be night.
That good.
Oh my God, I was like, no, I have to do the 1 man challenge.
He come home and he tell me if it's true. He
Oh
show me
God,
the
me
video.
say him talk, boy, your girl, me feel like a long while me not see man talk like it not shy away him not say hey mommy have a girlfriend and skip over him literally say she have a business please go check it out really promote and that's very good because as I'm tell woman teamwork make the dream work.
Yes.
When you find a man who's willing to be a teammate with you my work is not you alone I carry the chair you have somebody that help you lift it.
Yeah.
And that's how I promote relationship. You and the person come together as one and you sit down and have a conversation. What is it that you want from me?
Yeah.
How can we navigate this? How long have you been together?
Mm.
Yeah, mommy, I go down to your business goodie. Goodie, my mama tell you today, I that my combo. Yeah, that my combo. Him send me for you. I'm sorry, I didn't send me.
3 years.
That's very good.
Yeah.
That's about we've been together couple days from now. I gonna be 2 years since me and my husband been together.
Okay.
But we married 1 year and a half now. So I've been here from 2023. September, so 29th, that is next year, like it fully be 2 years. And then I met him about couple days after.
Okay.
And from me and him met at the tour with
Belizean?
Belizean good him come get the last good man I left back. Because everyone say, oh, no good man there belly. So look like me get the last one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true.
No, but I'm not gonna agree with that 100% because I've met some man and talked to them and I just think it's lack of communication and misunderstanding. That's just my view. I don't know if my view wrong, but that's what I get from out of it.
Yeah.
Because I sincerely, your mommy had called you, Lord Jesus. So if you as a woman and you come in and say, this is what I want, this is it, I will work and you will work and the two way and put the cards on the table, I think you will get good man and goodness out of the man them. Because them tell us some Jamaican men are very hard to deal with. Them a tell you say, them are there with you and them are there with she, but enough work I had the wife.
But Jamaican and Belizean very similar, you know.
Yeah, I in a somewhat I would say yes, but as I said before, I don't think Belizean man bad based off of where me come from. Because yes, Belizean and why alright, you know why I emphasize and kinda put a little bit more blame on the females them because at the end of the day, listen. You can't say policeman bad or BDF man bad, but at the end of the day, you are give them the opportunity to be bad.
Yeah.
If you get what me I say, moms, you can't say them bad, you know. But yet still, if a BDF man, you know of him woman, I go want to look you, you want to say to him, no, I'm not into that. So you can't blame them if you are give them the opportunity to exercise that right.
Yeah, that's right.
So how you go blame the thief if you put something I'm way for him thief it? Allow me to tell, make it make sense.
That's true.
You can't blame them. So personally, when I came here, a lot of them try to fool around me and I make them know what I want. This is what I want because I'm making you know from the jump start, this is what I'm about. So guess what got happen? I'm not going to entertain them, I'm not take things, I'm not go to them, I'm going to club and a bar because you ain't going to get my body.
Yeah.
Because I trick them, I try play enough to say, oh, if, okay, them have a conversation with you and if them say, oh, you man want a relationship, Is it that they're gonna actually say, can
Yeah.
happening, baby? Is it that we have to go to club for we have a relationship? Why are the first person want to bring me a one club?
True.
No, if a man a look you,
Why not date you?
why in the daytime we can't go have lunch?
Yeah.
Why you feel like the club in the night is the only place we can go?
I agree.
But tell me if I lie, me I tell baby.
I agree.
Why is it that the only place you think it's fit to bring me is at the club? And I see them do it over and over again. And I just share my head and say, you can't blame the man because you load on your values.
Yeah.
Your values is to go in a club with a man. After club, where am I going? Punana.
Yeah. Netflix.
Talk truth. Then you blame the man. You can't blame the man, mama. You have to set your boundaries. You have to set your boundaries because guess what? Them want punana. You have punana. So guess what? Them are come for your punana. You have to say, hold up. Not that one, yeah. Because then when I do the statistic and I live here, I said sometimes these man, woman, if you put a leash on them and how far you make them come in your space.
Yeah.
I don't do certain things. Whenever a man come in on my inbox, because trust me, them flying at the inbox, I make sure make them know. You realize there's a tall black man side of me? Yeah, man, him represent Jesus.
Yes.
So him come to protect me.
Yes.
So if I step cross, trouble I go there. And this is how not everybody single in our bellies until them book up. The other girl, my husband a police. One girl come there with that money and the next man come there. And trust
Your
me.
husband a police?
Yes, my husband.
I think I see husband already on news.
And
You know the police truck somewhere I see her.
yeah.
She look familiar.
No, fan news on the media.
Yeah.
And then I come from Placencia and the policeman go start video
I see her on
and the video go viral. And you listen to me, say the police will post a baby. Me and them a got a problem, you know. Me and them, you see, making them viral. But it's like, trust me, but being here, I think if we do have, because what I think too, a lot of females don't want to have conversation. The moment you try to show them, say, baby girl, you can't do it this way, them get defensive. You understand? Because I got a viral video where I said the Belizean woman, them have 1 man and 5 backup plan. Them get vexed. Why them get vexed? If you never did, I could say it.
You saw that?
Thank you, baby girl. Thank you. No, but I want to see for you. Remember, my police and them work at the club. I be a fight, them come and fight over, man.
You say it right. The girl in I believe.
The girl, them,
woman
the
there.
woman. Touch it, yeah. Booty, come boy, I'm every one man. Listen to me, I have a 1 man challenge. I'm one, the booty, them have 1 man step up to the front. I'm make a reason about that. Hey, goody.
And I don't know a girl, I don't a woman, 1 man.
Touch it, yeah. See there? See the woman them you want represent bellies in the right. Because them a go like say don't stay bellies. Like them not understand what I say. Them a run up in the media and a type and a like them not try bully me. No, if you know you are a woman, if you know you have class, if you know you have values, if you know you have standard, why would you vex?
Exactly.
You're not supposed to vex because at the end of the day, you're not living like that and you can't stand up for the whole of bellies because a whole heap of people are their own mother they and you do something now. So when I say ya, you can't believe a mommy that.
Yeah.
So you still can't swear for nobody.
That's
you just
true.
have to just pray and say, yo, I'm going to my sister actually do the right thing. And you can say to her, say, baby girl, don't do that. It is wrong. I'm not uphold with you. Upholding with somebody doing wrong is you just as guilty as the person doing it.
Yeah. Yep.
You can't see somebody a thief and are okay with them a thief. You're not doing them any good.
Yeah.
I come in this country, I will never entertain a girl that have more than 1 man. One, you can't catch AIDS. Him show me a statistics right now.
Today?
The man them AIDS are go up because I guess I know the man them a fuck the man, the man the one them a fuck this and the fuck 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 and the what is the fuck? But them no want have the conversation. Everybody just a hush, but this is the country I'm living in, so I have to try to show them to listen. You can't go down that route, them, my friend. You can't go down there. You see, sometimes I see them on the media, me like, yo, like that's not right. and I can't uphold it. You know, me and a girl literally have a beef. No, me and her share herself because she the one to go, oh, she brand them some big eyelashes, some tall fingernail, and oh, she termite, and she this and she that. And I simply said to somebody, say, see, that was a bad influence that I associate myself with when I was much younger. Glad me grow up and realize that them things there, no right. The girl put the media and what did the last video she put me, I go like a she alone are the only. No, you're not the only one, but you're recruiting young girls them to do it.
Yeah.
You're making it seem like it is okay.
Yeah.
Why can't it be okay for my little baby girl going to school? You go college, baby?
Yeah.
Going in a college, good college. When you graduate, call me here. But my brother said,
Big up Kyla.
talk truth. Why we can't do that? Why we can't normalize that? Why we can't normalize the females them having a man and think about getting married? Why is it that we're going to normalize a dirty lifestyle? It is not right. I'm not normalize it so I can go in the media and try bash because I care zero.
Yeah, that's why when Shensia says she have more one man, I know listen.
I lie, she tell Goody. Goody, I lie. She does a set. Come and tell a Jamaican artist here. You see, them say as I say, don't do as I say. They're not doing it.
Yeah.
When Vibes Cartel did the younger and a single way for slack song them, him telling people them not to listen to it. You ever see Vibes Cartel that yet? Look pan her say if one tattoo pan her. And nurse she is right now.
Okay.
Vibes Cartel that look just like you. Natural hair, tall down, she braid her hair, she's tush and she this, and that is Vibes Cartel who I tell the other girls them, and him never really say them, just I say what them feel like. So that doesn't mean you have to follow. It doesn't mean you have to follow. Because at the end of the day, them as them say, do as I say, not as I do.
Yeah.
They're not doing it, don't follow them. You shouldn't say she rich or she can do anything. Me poor, all my do shouldn't say I do. Tell me no.
Oh no.
She rich. She can tell a man come out of my house.
Yeah.
Cause you not have to do nothing for her. So at the end of the day, I always tell the females them stop follow.
Yeah.
Where you follow for? I only make them things sell, you know. If you not follow, if you say it wrong, you know she actually not seeing that song as something that enlighten. It wouldn't go where it go. But everybody and two man and the both side of the kind. When I go in the club, everybody flip the both side of the kind and see goodie. Them in the promote it. I'm like, seriously? I'm a Jamaican. I saw a video. Did you know that Shensia said the only place she ever come is Belizean, and a girl suck off her toe while she performed?
Oh yeah, I was there at
that irritated my spirit really bad. That was so disgusting for me.
She may like that.
Me say, she said she just feel something warm on her tongue, on her toe. Girl, like nobody would ever do that in a Jamaica. None. Me I tell you, I'm a Jamaican, no time at all. She couldn't even think for pulling her foot so.
Because when she come here, she's a big artist. That's
but
why.
she's a big artist in Jamaica, but it's still, I remember that Jamaica care a lot of big stars.
That's why here is just a few.
Yeah, because at the end of the day too, they don't get no international push, and even if an event a keep, the artists them still don't get no big treatment. The promotion, it not really stand up strong. Because even some of the artists them when they go up on YouTube and look at them, them have like 4,000 subscribers and them something. The 500,000 people in the country. Don't you think that look a little bit too hard? Like 4,000 subscribers to Papa John?
Yeah.
And Papa John a big artist? Come on now. Papa John supposed to have at least 100,000 subscribers. Them supposed to know about them. So you see, if for instance say him have a song and it not got 500,000 views, and so international market video our customer can say our customer talk about. Alright, talk me like that lady, the lady that me like you. And how's the service? How long talk put the video I'm go sit down so that come goodie. Video the tour we come. But they all about. So I see that pretty girl if she come in here, she just attack the things that mama like her. She shape but so she not you can't enter Miss Belizean, we vote for you.
For real?
Yeah, you know, say
After
pretty.
after 2 children.
Look on your belly flat.
You know, still don't want to say
Stop,
that.
yeah, whoa, you're so nice. But confident, I like this boy, yo. No shame in our game. I wish the confident, right? There, so yes,
Of
good. I
course.
like the class. I was speaking about the 5-man come on to the 1-man challenge. Give me your view, Panic. Come and know me like you.
5 man to 5 man to 1 woman. Well,
No, 1 man, but them have 5 backup plan.
oh, 1 man,
Yes, so them have a 1 bonfire man, but them have 5
5
backup
backup man.
plan.
Yes, because then in this country, the dating pool turned to Madaras. The expectations where you have now is ridiculous. Tradition gone out the window. What you call it? Charm gone through the window. There's nothing.
Dating.
Yeah, when it comes to dating.
The
So
only thing them want for date is Skygar Club.
yes, exactly. And then now we need 1 man for do this for you, and next month for do that for you, because there's no wholesomeness anymore.
Do you think,
understand?
alright, so would you say that I'm like you're so intelligent, come cameraman, you have to catch us, but like that girl that represent Belize properly. Wouldn't you say it's more to do with the parenting then? Wouldn't you say that?
No, it's a different, it's culture. No, it was, I see what you do, then that what we would do. Belize it's more that we sway. We're not leaders. We're followers, right? So
Why?
so if I say friend could have 4 man, why can't I have 4 man too? So the expectations get weird. The expectation gets too high, you know. Yeah, exactly, and not only that too. The requirements of these women now, well, women, man they can't
But
up.
for me, but you can't have expectation if you can meet it yourself.
Then I want to meet it because it's all about me, self-centered. It's all about me.
Yeah, but if you can't want a man treat you if you can't treat yourself. You can't want a man buy you a plate of food if you can buy yourself a plate of food.
Right, but the influences around it, that's what I'm talking about. The influences around it from others, like I need to be a part, because then I say Tom, Dick, and Harry could do it, Shansia and this one could do it,
Yeah,
then
but
I
if you
could
check
do
this,
it.
we're not. Yeah,
You
but
know?
that's why I try to slow it down with you. Watch this now. If Shensia talk what she can or what she want, remember Shensia say I am rich. That means she'll tell you that she can do it for herself. She don't really need a man to do it. Because if them realize Shensia now not take 4 or 5 man, Shensia never take 1 man, Shensia rather take all woman too. Because she bisexual. But the point of what I'm saying, you can't be. Yeah, man. You never say in the video what she said, bless, bless, bless. That video 2 girls she wake up in the bed with. Yeah, man, go watch the video again. What I'm saying, you can't be passenger princess if you don't own a vehicle.
They don't put in the work. Nobody put in the
My
work.
point.
Nobody
You lick
put in
the
the
nail
work.
on the head. I'm like the fact that somebody from Belize actually sissy and a foolishness may talk. Because them bully me in the media, but up to now, me not hear them say a liar, tell her a fuckery attack or whatever. Hear them now? So Dexter up say, all when she have 10 man, guess who make up me and said, that's what Dexter up say, what you say. What is it that you're saying? Because at the end of the day, you are married to you when
Exactly. For me, style. I take care of the home, cook, clean, do everything, and my husband come and
1 man challenge start right here, so 1 man challenge. Listen to me.
Yes.
We are not modern days woman. We're traditional woman, and all the traditional woman them in Belize. Please step forward to the first. I'm like them lady. I'm not like Jesus.
Yes, I have to make sure my husband have breakfast clean, my pussy clean, everything clean.
Sure.
I grew up. I have a Christian background, so I grew up in. And for a long time, Granny and Grandpa together for a very long time.
That's right. Still come down to what I just said. Isn't it that more of how you grow? Was not brought up that way. Watch this now. You were never given a brother how to be loved.
right way, in the right light. Nobody.
And the thing about it is bringing down the country. Them say me I bring down the country and I bash the country. And they say no, I come here and I see it and I don't agree with it. That is the reason why I want you guys to make a change.
And it's not only on that spectrum. And in the government, the church, everywhere, it's the same thing. Every problems are the minute you stand up for yourself and stand up, they'll take you down quick thing because they don't like that change. They don't like the truth. They don't like the good life. Everybody wants to go, like I said, with influences and be of this world. You understand?
Yeah, but be of this world when you never represent, because watch this now. How much Belizean actually go international? None. How much Belizean go up on track and field? None. How much Belizean go out there and represent in the world? Nobody.
You ever heard about the crab in a bucket mentality? That's what we are, forever will be. Forever will be. There's no change. And you may talk about the Chinaman. The Chinaman come here with a purpose. Swipe out everybody. There's hardly any Belizean owned businesses, and if you do have a Belizean owned businesses, trust me, they'll come and try and bite over from you and make it seem like, oh, there's a pretty price I'm paying so I can have your business. That's what they do here.
And it hurt me. Me go tell you the truth, it hurt me. And
because why? The government go with it.
Girl, I feed the homeless and I see Belizean people bash me. Even when I do the video, oh, you come here and I go like you want to be Belizean hero. Girl go in on my inbox and my husband inbox and I be disrespectful and I say, imagine I am doing this. I get things from overseas and I get back to school things to the kids them. Girl, it hurt me. I tell you, it hurt me. I tell myself, say, yo, I'm never gonna do that today. I'm not gonna tell you the truth. The only reason why I'm come and say, I'm gonna tell myself, say, period, I want to talk, I'm going to give a jack shit who are them. I don't tell myself I'm not going to do no more video with Belizean people. Because my YouTube channel says I am a Jamaican living in Belize. That's what it says. So me now supposed to talk about me.
Right.
I give Belizean and Belizean no much place me go, girl. We are Belmopan and the people them say them never know something at the archery place here where them have the art gallery and stuff. People comment when live in America say, oh my God, one lady said me live at Belize 30 years and left go a foreign and come back and I never stop in there to start so in the night.
So you talk more mainly on your experiences here and what
right,
you
what
say.
I've been through
and then take it as a cut to for them. I understand you. I understand what they're doing.
And I'm saying like, why would not do that? Because at the end of the day, come out and say a lie, me I tell you.
Not the lie.
Just come out, somebody prove to me and say a lie, me I tell you.
The artists here sing about it. One man for cook the food, one man for pay the bills.
And them going to party, but
it's something to party about.
It's
That's
normal.
embarrassing.
Thank you.
I'm married. I got married at a very young age, which I'm proud of it because I had two beautiful children. Right. My marriage lasts 11 years, and some people are like, wow, that's a long time. No, honey, that's not even a lifetime. That's a failure. That's a failure. 25, 35, whatever years, I see people go along with their marriages, and that's something I don't want, and I hope that other people would have want that to fight for your life, fight for what's right. But it's just everybody just give up easily now. They went somewhere else,
And my husband went through that because when he met him, the mother, things and she get pregnant and she tell him, and it's alright, I'm gonna stay because there's a child now, a life is involved. So him actually wanted it to work for the better future of the child. She never think of it that way. Every opportunity she get, she out the door. She go to Mexico, she come with paper, say him to sign the paper to carry the child to Mexico because she get married to a white man. That failed, she come back again. She sleep with him cousin, that failed. So she in and out, in and out. Now when intern police, right, and a fiend time for shine now, she come now and say she want to get married to him.
After you don't wreck up your life, after you don't drag through the streets, then yeah, that's the norm.
Now Belizean people come down for me and say me mash up our own. And they like to know, you want to?
Sorry.
She now carry the family court and say she want $400 out time here. $400. Even when my husband meeting a big accident last year. Did you know that the girl literally all one time them sending the paper to the man got accident, them are telling him so after him come out of the hospital, him to come at the courthouse.
Yeah,
That rubbed me the
so if like there's a lot of other outside influence that can come here to help fix Belize, but they won't do it. They won't
Thank
they
you.
won't do it. A lot of knowledge, outside knowledge. Like you say, a lot of places do things differently, but here everything is wrong side, upside down, inside out. And nobody want to fix that. Nobody know how to fix it.
God.
So you know what I do? I can't live amongst these people. I gotta live a bush far away, out of sight, out of mind, because I get passionate as you do. I do get passionate about things. You get hurt.
Girl, if you see how I deal with my stepdaughter, I she me care as passenger princess. You see, whenever the mother and father have argument, I tell them I don't want your phone a problem. When I put my princess side of me, I'm in drive gone. When I buy clothes and shoes, cause she loves to mommy more eyelash, she call me mommy. Your mommy can't get eyelash too. And me and her, one night I remember I braid her ear and she stay up until about 1:32. She sit down on my braid her ear and she ended up fall asleep. So I catch her up on the pillow and finish the front because this was a little bit. Because she had where to go to the zoo. So I take her from school, carry her home, braid her ear and stuff like that. And when she wake up in the morning and when she done, while she asleep, I plait the ear and dip in the hot water and the cup and we fix it. And when she wake up, she go in the bathroom and she put all her up in the mirror.
Like that.
And I'm saying, why am I being hated? You know what the judge looked at my husband and said? Co-parenting is not me, him, and the mother. Co-parenting is only between the mother. That is madness because when you didn't want to carry the child go over Mexico to your man, he signed the paper.
Yeah.
So that is unfair.
Co-parenting and the next thing, next crazy topic. She could tell you, me and my ex, I don't care what, anything for my children. I don't care what people, oh, no, still that thing, you don't still love one another. No, you can't fight in front of the children.
Thank you very much.
Drag up picnic. You know, I rather what we have and what it might seem like or what it look like. And we co-parenting is amazing. Like I had best friends with my ex. My children love that. Like they're healthy, they do go to school. My son they come in first in his class.
My husband gave the mother, the judge gave him visitation rights. You know the girl take up the child from out of Holy Rose and carry where Mango Creek. You know why I put it out in the media too? Me want to know if the judge I go see this and actually knows that was wrong. Up to now, she don't write him a letter. She not give him a 50-cent call, nothing at all. And it's okay, but the judge ordered him to pay $400 a month for a child where you cannot even see.
No man, he's supposed to have some type of
Nothing.
rights.
Him not have the rights. The only reason I'm not the rights because she want to call him.
He needs to go to the court and then that's how he has to request
He
that.
go to the court and 9 months, them say 9 months, them go to court and all of them carry go mediation. She says that she wanted that she had it.
Hateful. Can't be hateful and have children because then they will be.
She wants to have the child. Listen to this. We go for the child, not my husband. Me go pick up the child from school and he can't make it because remember I said police work on different timing, right? So say for instance he would have be at work now. I go pick up the child from school. We have the child Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. I drop her back at school and she want $400 while we're doing that. And they don't think that is way too much.
Some people get $25 a week for one picnic.
The only reason why the judge ordered that is because I am a Jamaican. Everything towards me is prejudice, straight prejudice.
So if you're gonna be here and talk and about like these topics, you have to kind of be careful because, like I said, nobody like hear the truth here in this country.
No, you see the thing about it is,
Nobody like
I'm
hear
gonna
the
tell you
truth.
this. Any day one of them things them bad go off for me, an international may bring it. Because remember I'm not a Belizean. And I have high court. So I not to take it to no laws in a Belize. Remember there's a high court, you know. And high court take out the robe off for the judge. That them not understand say I know the law. And Belizean law is not the only law. I have people in high places who are even higher than the Prime Minister of Belize.
Belize law only suits
Them
some
feelings.
some people.
Some
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
So you see me when I speak, I know exactly what I'm speaking about. And none of them can come and carry my court because they know my rights. Bring my court and I'm going to prove my case. And if them feel they say, okay, Belize law can protect them by doing me injustice, we are gonna go high court car.
I had my fair share of injustice from that same family court, because then with my husband being colleagues, just being colleagues or friends, sorry, with to these people.
That's what you were.
Yeah, so I already moved already with the next man and everything, and I went for a legal separation, and the judge told me go home and reconcile. Now how I'm gonna reconcile when I live with the next man?
But she not the right then.
Yeah, exactly.
That
Not
is
the
she
right.
stepping
Exactly.
over personal boundary.
But do
Exactly.
you remember when they tell me, even though my baby must say she don't want me that she house, but yet the magistrate had tell me, make her just walk over there and go there.
Yeah. Set
No.
you right up. Set you right
No,
up.
Set
if
me
you
up,
go,
yes.
the next thing man go come out and KILL and then that's just it. You know, hear nothing more come from it.
Radio. Yeah.
Because I've seen cases where man dead will go for them child and none wanna come about it. Me they are here to see.
So the way if it really fix things, but go along with things, just to step back and let things be.
Slide.
And then someone like you coming here and saying or putting a spotlight to all this issue, that what we need long time we need that. Somebody with that.
Every time men go from the court, I stop at least 3 or 4 women from going to family court. I said to them, why are you going? Like I stopped somebody before and she said the baby father I bring $200 come there for the kids then, but she's not there and in the one talk to us and I said, isn't he taking care of the child? Maybe he's not giving them amount of money where you want. But you also have to remember say at the 200 make it together. So if him bring $200 you put $200, how much money that na $400? So what is your complaint? He said, but really and if you want him, you can let him. And I said that's where the problem is. You're only thinking about you and him. It's not about
Let
the
me say
child.
something. I want to say something on my fan mic.
Yeah. Yeah, all of them might come goody.
Why would you make or bring life, into this world with a man that doesn't even like you? You're the damn picnic. Why? When I ask you for a child, make children with a man that asks for picnic, you don't just make one for lock her down, because then at the end of the day, you and the picnic not like.
And the way that the whole thing now, everybody have a baby for a man because them want the man to stay with them.
Yeah.
Children does not hold a man.
Never. I watched that firsthand and in the workout. It no workout. So that's the next thing. Choose who you make baby with, so you don't have to struggle in a life.
And I
with
run
your
back at the
children.
man.
Yeah.
Oh, him cheat on me.
Yeah,
Him
same
cheat.
thing. Then use the kids as pawn.
Thank you.
If you mess with the man, just
Thank you.
forget pan nerves. If you know forget back, because you can't have him how you want, or can't have him, to yourself. So it's just.
And the next thing when them love talk about, oh, him go cheat on you. Your luck and my luck is not the same luck. You went there with a man and him not give you nothing and do nothing for you and him take up me tomorrow man and married to me.
Then you just open the vagina. Here it is. Give it up for free.
No,
Without any.
they want to tell me, say, oh, me can fuck back your husband. I be like, I mean, Mrs. Nunes, yes, you can fuck him back, but I may have him legacy, I may have him title. And if anything, right now, if anything, you can't go into the hospital. There's none pertaining to him that you can stand up for. But I can take the child out of your
But
hand.
that will make them feel good. That right there, that makes her ego feel good. Exactly. Man. That makes she feel good. And at the end of the day, she's stupid.
But that's she a ball. And she
Exactly.
turning a ball.
Yeah,
If
exactly.
him don't want me. And him tell me, say, he might got this.
That's why it's so weird that I can't handle. I try, dating in this country. The best you just. And the youngsters could have never have me. Would have never have me. Them wanna wear them pants, could have never come around me.
And that's the thing
You
about
understand?
it.
Traditional man. Man will open the door for you, buy you a leaf flowers, ask you how your day go, you eat it, darling. I do for you, you do for me. That kind of level they pan. Not just take from someone. Like you just don't
I
work.
hear a girl cry eye water, say no matter what me do for you, no matter what me do for you. And I said, girl, get a hold of yourself. That's too much desperation.
Exactly.
You can't buy love.
So yeah, dating pool here and the dating limelight it sucks. It really sucks. I tell you what's secret about church sister. My church sister. I don't know. My church sister.
The church is church. But you're not at the church.
We go to church together
Every day.
every
Should I look in your face?
Happy Sabbath, Michelle. Happy Sabbath. I used to be Advent.
I am an Adventist. I'm not gonna say used to, don't say used to.
Still, exactly.
Yes. I haven't been to church from I didn't know.
Serious?
Nobody invited me. My grandma asked.
I quit church. I quit going to church 2014 because of not feeling belong. Because I look like this and have older women, but I'm married, so I am a woman, but they don't see me as a woman. See, all of them things are factors of why people fuck up in this country. Because you go there for refuge, you go to church for refuge,
And they might judge you.
and they judge me. Oh, I couldn't be a part of the women ministry because I was too young. But it's not my fault that your husband have eyes for me. I look the way I look because thank God for my mom, thank God for the good genes, you know, the good as genes. That is not my problem for you to communicate on me at church. You know, at church.
Never tell you the truth.
Work on the jeans.
Young
The good as jeans.
Good as jeans, exactly. Good as jeans. I'm so sorry.
We got the good as dreams. I understand you talk. Yes. I can't believe that God placed the good woman side of me and woman with morals, woman see. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, I felt like I was the only woman standing tall. Like there's no other woman where stand and represent for not for modern days but culture.
Right.
Not for modern days but how your parents grow you good. Everybody is listen.
Everybody want man. And they can make a Johnny cake, they can make a fried jack, they can make a turkey, they can stew a chicken. You understand?
You want man.
I want man. Yes, you can afford the nails, you can afford the eyelash, you can afford the hair, you can afford the club, shoes and purse.
But you can't afford to go back to school.
Exactly, and you can and provide for your home. And then you need one man, 2 man, 3 man to help you. That,
You can't talk to them, you know.
can't. Then
The other day-
they want to know how you do so good with your life because I put myself together.
Thank
Not
you.
one day you could say no a body in this country could say they see me up in the club. I look like club woman. They even call me an escort one time. Really? Just because of how you look. You understand? I carry myself with my head above high and I could step in our place. And everything just shut down because the confidence of what I have and how I carry myself. You not see me snack up myself and throw myself
You
out
ever
and
see when what the idea in a
need
city? I
to
see
do
one
that.
girl that pass, you know, and mesh something. Mesh, so you sit to it.
I want
And her
husband.
body draw the out. I'll be like,
I want husband.
I want
I
husband.
want good husband.
Good people, good boy picking.
Yeah.
People, good boy picking. And then them say, oh, policeman bad, BDF man bad, this man bad. I only make the man bad because I only lay with them.
Exactly.
And then family court full.
Could have never be me. One time I gonna try family court. Nothing take anything from my ex. None of that. It's just that I want to do it in a the right
Respect
way.
you,
Yeah,
yeah.
because then if you're not together, you get a legal separation. If you're married, that's what you do legally.
Legally.
You understand? And they deny me that I just get my divorce.
Legal
Last month.
separation.
Yes, legal. You have a legal separation first.
I
before
know
you get
about, I know about that. So can they withdraw that legal separation?
If you reconcile with your husband, then it's over. But they can tell you go home and
Deny.
reconcile. Yeah, they can deny a legal separation if they don't see fit that like, they don't have a reason to separate.
Yeah, but they can't see fit them to live with the person.
It would have to either cheat on your husband. There was no like irreconcile differences that the word, sorry, I can't say the word, but like you can't, like you have to have a reason to separate other than just cheating.
That would be like reason and evidence, no?
Yeah, with evidence, and you have to have evidence. If the man
Yeah, but who
abused
is
you
them?
or
Yeah, but
something,
who is them? And that's what I'm trying to understand. Who is them? Because then if the man, them away upon the man for actually KILL.
yeah, yes, that's what they want.
But why if I ever go in a court and a judge tell me that?
That's
Tell
what they
Shirley
want.
so. You don't have the right over my life. So if I wanted separation, that's my choice. You can't take away my right as a human being to decide for me what is right for me. You don't have the right there.
So it discourages a lot of women. Well, for me, it's discouraging me.
So you're
you know?
supposed to be married and then go just left go there with the
Right,
next man.
yeah, and that's not right, God.
But
That's
our
not right.
country are promote.
Exactly. And I try to explain to them people, I'm not with this man. I live with him. They don't care. Go home and then my ex at the time laugh. Hey, yeah, good for she. Like then things it's disappointing. And it caused a lot of people to do mad at foolishness. But, you know, at the end of the day, if you're not strong in Christ, you're not strong in yourself, you know, or get by.
Remember, the Bible did speak about it. So in the last days, the right will be wrong, the lies will becomes truth, because people believe the lies so much it becomes truth. And the wrong is so right. Where the right be the wrong and the wrong be the right.
And then talking about wax cool, this earth wax cool over. It's over. This earth is cold. Where can you find love? Where is love? Where is love in a lot of humanity? Where is it?
That's true, because I watch a video
You know,
this morning.
after a mango skin, people get shoot and kill here. After you just throw them, I don't know, like stupid stuff. You get hurt here for a lot of foolishness. So like,
You know what I do? I wind up my window, because I usually wind it down and offer people drive. You know, I stop. I stop. I think doing good makes you become a target.
yes, and the intentions, people are come with a motive. They feel like they come with a motive and an intention. So for me, being among, I love people. Don't get me wrong. I love people. I love family. I love love. I love all. But it's hard to find. It's hard to, you know, like, you can't find that anymore.
I did an interview, so like not an interview, a reasoning, and I was in Dangrega, and the Rasta man said, you will have your cup full of love, support, charity and everything, and then scoop and dig it out and scoop and dig it out, and then it done, and then complain when it done. Then remember say them take out and then put back on.
Exactly. So like, it's just the topics you talk about, there's a lot to go along with it, but then it's very kind of like a sticky situation, because like I said, people just want to go with the flow. They don't want change. And if they do want change, a change with the world. Not change for the better, not change for substance, not change for, you know, something greater. No.
Because the thing about it is, what I see is like everybody okay. Even to say everybody okay with just working for $240, $250 a week time, like minimum. Nobody now create them own business. It's like we can come in at the salon and this is a family business and all them come together. It's not like that.
And the reason why I always come here is because them girls always been amazing to me. That you can't find away. Then when I go to Kaya, we have, you know, colorism here. There's colorism here.
But I talk, I have experienced it. Colorism. Why?
And I tell you, the level of nastiness females could be nasty to each other. I know support it if you're being nasty to me and I be kind of like to spend my money that you.
And that's what I said. Why is it that you're going to be rude and nasty to me, but you want my help, you want my money, you want just as how them treat man. Them want a man money, them want this, them want that, but you're so rude, obnoxious, disgusting, distasteful, your attitude and your behavior, and them not do self-search, you know.
It all comes down from the parents too, because then who to raise them people?
You just repeat them, just didn't I say that before?
Who to raise them people? I love living where I love being away. I love that, and when I do come out, it's just
do what I do and go back
into my peace.
That is the way.
You know, when I watch the news and say, oh, this is...
Girl, the other day I reposted the thing with the Buddha something, right? And I was like, it's really distasteful and shameful. Here's somebody, oh, are you on Tamara, are you on Jules, distasteful because you not protect the predator. I mean, like, I just said, big asshole come out from a platform for me disrespect you. Did you hear me say, them do something wrong by the wrong procedure? That
exactly.
It was, he's not right. I don't defend what him do. I don't care about him.
No, it will be until it turn on somebody else. You understand? Then, because Budna did what he did, right? But like, if somebody else don't deserve that, then what?
Yeah, but him did over, so him did I go all about cross the border all the time. So why they never hold him from over there? So they shouldn't make the law to put themselves in a problem with that. Make him go over there, so next time when him over there and get catch, then him tap over there.
Yeah, so what about if we when our turn? You understand? What about
we don't want to be involved in that. You don't get yourself nasty in that.
Human rights is getting taken from us.
Thank you.
Little and people not see.
Me no business about that. Because him always a go over there.
Yeah.
When him go over there, tell them say when him come back over here, you don't hold him and F him up. But do not get us involved. That's all I'm saying. Because it don't look good for the police department. I don't like it. in a look good and a shameful. The police department, international, that's what I was saying. It's drunk crap come from media like
Because
them.
Bunda sometimes Bunda he try bring light to a lot of injustice here in this country, and that's what I'm saying. You have to be careful too. You have to be very careful.
I know.
Because then they might give you the same service, they might give you the same welcome, the same thing what happened to him. They might.
No, I'm telling you this, and I'm glad you talk about it. I don't have anything to say about it. As I said, if the person ever come on my platform, then I would say anything. Because as I said before, I don't give a jack shit about nothing where I go here. So I'm going to my house, I'm locked up in my house, I'm stay far from people. But when you come on my platform and make it like you want to come bully me, then me have a problem with that. That's what me have a problem with. I don't have a problem with him. The department that have nothing to do with me. Because as them say, me in Belizean, I go back to my country. So people business is not my business. You get what I'm saying? I don't care. But what you're not going to do is come on my platform and bully me.
Now your opinion, your point of view, so they shouldn't even.
Them all go for my husband. If my husband posts me, oh you post her and she bash bellies. Why the fuck get off of the man platform? You can't tell me to post him wife.
They don't. Preferably.
They just know how to bombard people's personal space and not doing the right thing. Shut on the fucking leg, brother. Shut on the leg. And that only for focus, man.
Yeah.
Focus said your child don't come live the life what you will live. Break generation curse.
Worry about what happened in other people's house and worry about what in your house. That the next
Boy, I
thing.
don't want to go on them topic
You got a
because
lot of topics. Let's talk.
at that moment have a podcast then let's talk.
Let's talk. Yes.
So we can talk about everything.
Yes. Let's talk.
I tell them every day, I say, so I go up on the media on a bit, like I did a carnival the other day, this woman go see me, are you the lady where bash but she look I was in a good spirit. She was so lucky I was in a good spirit because she wouldn't let me answer. Because I tell them do not see me in the street and come to me and say nothing to me. Anything where you want to say, when you continue to vex up on the face and full of attitude because I have to look down in there. So my eyelash big, all I got to do is blink and disappear.
Out of sight, out of
But
mind.
you understand sometimes, yeah. So don't do that. Like, don't try to like bombard my personal space. I'm very violent.
No, but then they should. I mean, they should just listen. If Belizean would have just listened,
That's how them have a problem
right?
with it.
Just listen. Everybody have a point of view. Listen. You could either break
Somebody
you,
tell me
make you,
say
or
them,
help you.
them say the only thing is because I'm not a Belizean. But I said Belizeans are very coward. They are not going to
Yes.
speak up.
Laid back. Okay, do one. Go. Yeah, the
You
Prime
know,
Minister, yeah.
compulsory. Me can tell you from me I do that social media. This YouTube, you're the only woman get up and speak. Everybody I run from the camera and I shy away. Me can't even sit them for have a conversation with them. Even if I see one little child and the child dirty, I'm more to say, you have to take care of the child. Them make it like them not hear what me I say, them not understand. Did you saw the little boy when they walk up and down and I still am receive the farm? Mother saw that child and everybody watch the baby till the baby jump over into the water and drown.
That
And
was sad.
nobody say anything about that. But them a come tell me when you say about Belizean people, that make you look bad.
That's true.
That make you look fucking bad because you tell me say woman see the baby and know that uniform is.
For special needs children.
And you watch that baby till the baby got to arm. People man see the baby and nobody stop the child. But then they want to run up on the media. Come on no man, this is distasteful and disappointed.
Then they put no gossip on the news. No, gossip on the news. You see the news, the media houses, they put gossip on the news. It's sad, it's sad. Go live the bush. Find a piece of farmland.
You
Go
know,
back,
like-
go back to the roots. I plant my cassava, my sweet potato, and I mind my business.
Drink water.
And I never
This-
catch up me, no nothing. Never
I
ever.
don't even want to go up on the media. You know, I have no curiosity things for the media. I never comment.
Sometimes I go comment up them, I go comment.
No, I just alright. The other day I come to Belize and I have a live on TikTok and then people are sending me the live.
And what is TikTok? I don't even have that account. I don't know what I do.
Girl,
I've never
I
used
tell them I
TikTok.
do not go on in social media with Belizean because I think Belizean don't like Jamaicans. That's just why
They're not what we don't like Jamaicans. We don't like the truth, and Jamaicans are very blunt when they talk about things. You understand? They will say, oh, it is that just for on a culture. We culture, we are high things and pretty it up and to make you feel good. No, settings to make you feel bad. That why I tell my friends, if I'm messing up, I don't want to pretty it up.
Thank you.
Tell me,
So I can correct it.
Exactly. So I could
Oh,
do
never
better.
stop.
Exactly.
Because sometimes you don't see it, you know, but I see
yes,
it.
Yes.
Sometimes I tell me, even my husband, I say, you generally don't see what you're doing wrong. But I, on the outside, see it. So I have to correct you. They don't like constructive criticism.
No, not here. Like I said, not here. Everybody wants you be soft to them and their feelings. No, say it like how it is. My mom never, when my mom brought me up, she had tell me your room nasty like this, like blah 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 blah. Make I feel so bad about myself that I have to
do something about it.
Exactly. And I learned from my auntie. Never you go a day without being productive. Not at least get
why
up
I
and sweep
can't
a room.
Belize, I can't
Right?
Belize your brain.
Sweep,
I don't
sweep,
understand which
sweep
part
the-
in a Belize you grow up. That is not for real.
Sweep your house.
I go at young
Take a
girls
shower.
yard and mama step the dirty water well. Come here and say, if you get the land and the land is below the surface so the water will come up, don't put the land up. You can't build a house in a swamp. That no make no sense. But if you tell them vex.
You should tell them what to do and nobody come tell me what to do because I know better. That's just mentality.
So if they know it
here.
better, why don't do it?
Exactly. But the lifestyle where because then I want to preserve myself and I have 2 kids. I have a 17-year-old daughter
Why you look good?
and a 13-year-old son. His birthday today.
Oh my
Yes.
birthday. What's his name?
Avery.
Give him a shout out, man.
Avery Morales, happy birthday, be the best son in the world, favorite son in the world. Make me proud.
That's true. That is it. And that's me not like me come here for the interview, Miss what's her name again? Alita. And she being good as writer, so take over. Me said the conversation was so productive. I've learned from her. She have also learned from me. And it's very good that we as women can sit down and speak. She's a Belizean and she's giving her intake. And trust me, I never know a woman in a Belize was like this. We had a conversation and it never debate about fuck. We had real vital input and I love this. This is what me love because I like to speak to intelligent people. You get what I say?
Intelligent, thank you.
You know, so we can't deal with goody. Goody, you know, when I think they can't hold up with you.
No.
So, me and you can't have the same energy. Like, you are beautiful in spirit.
Thank you.
You are a beautiful person outside. The husband will lose you. Telling me, say Mrs. Juni say you lose a good fucking thing.
Yes,
like,
he knows that. He knows that, and that's why we're good friends because then he still wants to keep a good person in their life,
yeah.
right? And I be as best as I can as a friend to him and the best mommy I am. Because first I am a mom first. Before anything else, I am a mom. So I take good care of my children and take good care of him. So that's all that matter.
Because that means say, why is it that man and woman meeting quiet and in nobody know, and then when you're the person let the whole world have to know.
Yeah.
We can't separate quiet.
Separate nice. If you can't live with each other, it's alright.
And sometimes you outgrow a person and everybody you start with and they never end.
But here, if you mess up, if you separate the whole family want to hate the man and hate the picnic and like bring hate. No, okay, we understand we can't get together. That's understandable, but make sure you're alright because of the children that you watch. Then guess what will happen when they turn 21 and 22? Act like Hagan and so same like the mom.
I forgot about podcast and
Right?
I forgot. This can't just be a one-time thing. No. Like seriously, this really is so fucking blood. Miss me and you have to have a podcast together because I'm not lying.
The first time I come here, I'm desperate. When I came into this salon, I was desperate because I used to go do my nails there inside now. So on the ladies, I'm a nail biter, and if you this profession, the whole point about doing nails is so that you can look natural and pretty, like look nice. Them I look like a bird, like claws, like they never do it right for me. And okay, how I explain how I want my nails get done, I still have to pay the price and still look like it takes shilling to make my nails get done. You understand? So I saw somebody nails there at the airport. I'm like, oh man, because I always compliment women.
No, the next
Right?
thing too, they don't want to compliment a woman, and I'm wondering why because. You not taking nothing from
exactly.
you if you give somebody them rose.
Exactly. I like your hair. I like your outfit. Please, the way you buy that shoes, it's beautiful. You look nice. get a compliment. And so I gave her the compliment. You look nice. I like your nails. Where you get it done? She's like, oh, right here at the airport junction and blah blah blah. And she's like, go over there.
Because I did an interview at the airport where I met Miss Universe of Belize. She was so lovely. Big up herself, baby girl. You know, I saw that on all of. Yes,
I'm from Mango Creek too.
Okay.
Yes.
So I met her fiance, for her husband to be, me I speak it into being. Me I pretty car to get married, yeah. And he said, this is over here, so this is where the salon. And trust me, so that come here vibes, the man vibes, and just keep bigging up the salon. That's, you know, that subscribers literally go in the comment section and say, yo, we want to see a video with her, whatever. Me, miss, remember, I want a picture with us. Me, you and she, and the other they'll take your sister. And if I put it tonight and make them sister, oh no, me fine, you know.
So I came in here and I flew like a bird. I'm like, Kaka, save me. And they were busy, not for real. I can't believe it. They were busy. Usually when you come in a salon, some of them women mean. Like, oh, they don't make appointment.
Yeah.
You know?
That's the next thing.
Yeah.
Oh, if they don't make appointment, I pay $25.
Yeah.
You come here like
yeah, they're only doing it for money, not the love of the job. And then they mess up your nails and don't really do a good job. So I came in here and they were busy, the two of them, and between two of them, they still managed to fix me up and make I feel pretty and make I feel appreciated as a new customer. So, like, you know.
And that's why I came
all the way from Cayo. I traveled 2 hours just to come get my nails done
Hello,
here.
that is the reason why I'm fine now, because guess I wanted to know about she, where your husband attack and promote. Come on, me see. And at least now, if she in the camera, you in the camera as a customer who can say she give quality service.
Yes.
In this salon, you come, you get the best quality service. These nail takers, me not like, baby, I forgot. Pretty girl, when the nails done, you have to put it in the camera because remember the people want to see. Because the man attack, so you not get up and come out here and the people not see the fine jobs of these two young ladies. They are two beautiful sisters with beautiful spirit and they're doing a wonderful job and this is a customer, this is a client from Kaya, so she make her appointment every 3 weeks or every 2 weeks and she there and the nails up and done and she just start about business.
They take me like a sister and I love that. I love it.
And that's
right, Ash?
This is what the vibes I want now, Belizean. Come on, man, Belizean man, come on, love where I talk about.
Yes.
We want to promote love.
Yes, and keep the insecurities at home.
To yourself.
Keep it down, you know.
Yeah, man.
More love and light.
More love, because you see, if you shut the door upon outsiders, the country only going down. Because guess what? We have to, and even when I say about it, when I go to other countries and see a lot of franchises and stuff like that, I wish Burger King was here, I wish Popeyes was here, I wish a lot of franchise was here, because that would have helped boost the country up in at the international level.
Starbucks alone, because people love the coffee thing, just to look cute.
Just to look, you know. Well, not right now, me I'm hungry. But they are hungry.
You're hungry? Well, for me, when I'm hungry, I have to cook my own. I eat out sometimes, but I make sure I cook my own meals because then I don't
what I'm doing now, because I see my body chunky, my body not little slim like her, so I have to take off the bag of rice and the sugar and the whatever, because I want to look petite, because you can't want to look petite, boy, I can't have the big belly. If I make sure so I can lock my food, so it's not she alone can lock her food, I stop eat a lot of rice, a lot of flour, stuff like that.
When you cook your own things, it is
healthier. So for me now, I take off a lot of weight, because even the other day my belly did big, I put it on my face. The people are so ugly.
No man, I'm aspiring to get that size.
And I'm aspiring to get this size. So you see?
No stay that size then.
Right. My husband said, come pretty girl, you're not going out unless my husband put up on the video camera and make my finger do. Don't let me run you down. Don't let the camera catch me and run you down, miss. Because I will run you down. Remember me, I lose weight so you can't run left me. So just come and make the cameraman just glow up on your finger. As the next pretty one you come to, show them, video man catch them, neat and clean, and the lady them just nice. But you look pretty, no sir. They have boots no like suffragette boy. Them nice see people talk, go in the comment section and talk about the nice good as them in a belly.
It was nice talking to
oh my God. Come here to catch. Oh, stand. You know, never get the subscribe and them laugh. God see I know. Everybody be like, yo, where you find them perky girls? That girl is so perky and nice. I have a subscriber in England, she have a talk about you, so tell. Because she loves it. She loves when the positive energy come out and people rap. Especially she's in England, so she like, yo, when I see this, I'm more subscribe and boots the video and hype it, you know? Me love this in our life, but girl, you need to be on my podcast and you have to be two hosts for me. She's a mommy. Be there over here, so big up that nice mother here with a nice daughter, and a nice daughter got college, so I'm not stop work and still want to motivate me right now to push and talk about the goodness in my belly, so I'm not going to stop. I will continue. Baby girl, I want you to go to college. I'm ready yet. I want you to be good for a we want the kids them to come out and we want them to excel and do phenomenal so we can feel good. And when we get old, when I go ourselves, our good daughter, I'm going to make sure that we have a good nurse who wipe her back some. Alright, that's because she not broke and we're not there so bad so hungry. So big up the nice daughter right yes so. Right, this is saying Noah. I'm in Belize. Where are you? Alright, this I'm a Jamaican living in Belize. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget it. Big up Alita at Jazzy, right? Jazzy. Jazzy Jazz. Yes. And your husband, when him again? Luke. Yes, Luke. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Big up. When the car said today wasn't a fun day. Yes, big up Luke out at airport. Him send me over here with a whole heap of subscriber girl. Them in the comment section, you know see gone. Somebody actually text me on Facebook and Messenger and so I don't say posting the video from what happened to the lady that the airport guy was talking about. You know, go look see him send me that forget this man and come. Good day. The people are reaching on my inbox. Oh, I don't see the lady. So this is a nice lady. What our one man did I talk about? So we are started one man and we are started from she. Yeah. And big up. What happened to she was like, why something that you're gonna get all the views coming now like people gonna share it and share it and share it. Because this is the vibes, you understand me? I just want Belizean to see things in a different light. You get what I say? I am not here to say, okay, they would have man, they would have man. I don't want she stop going to school. I don't want a man breathe her. You get what I say? Come on, we want the people them to come out. So you never get, you make sure she get it. And that is what I'm talking about. One, change narrative, change this. We can't just say everybody just come sit down. So all the way broke our hungry, all the way I build a opinion. No, baby, go to school. We're not ready to be no grandmother yet. Thank you, and that's what I'm saying. So tell me what I say wrong, baby. And how me I bring down babies? How am I doing that if I want the best for your daughter? If I want her to come out, go to school, we don't want a maga man pan her. We don't want to take up a bag of generation curse, because no people want to curse. Tap that, yeah. Alright, this so. I'm proud and I feel good. I see them say that, and I just feel that energy and say that a girl have ambition, she have a head on her body. You can feel it today, you know that? You know you can go around people and feel good energy, you can feel good vibration and the intelligence, you can just feel it in the atmosphere. And that's what I try to explain to them, that's what I try to push out. That's what I want to feel good for someone that I say, now I feel rich. Yeah. I feel rich out, and that's what we want. We want to rich in love, rich in ambition, rich in progress. And that's what we want. Yeah. We don't want rich in hate, bad mind, poverty, grudge. We don't want that. We are lick out against that. We plead the blood of Jesus against that. And thank you. It feel good, I feel good. I not lie, I just see that and she sit down there and I just feel the energy so that little girl is different. She don't want to be big, she don't want this. You know, she just humble and quiet. She not have my attitude and I tell her them look up in them full of attitude, you see. You can know the good parenting. That's the aim I tell them, I say it's all have to do with the parenting. Look what I tell you, say your daughter for your coming in the energy and you know you feel it, you feel the welcomeness. Sometimes I want to wish our soul and people come out of. You understand? We don't want that man. So if you don't hate me for that, see some people here, see some real woman here who represent Belize and stand tall. We are the column of Belize because the structure never too stand stable. So we are going for black our cement. And I will say one man, and say good day as she's a marital home. See her, there are 2 kids, and mother husband. It might not work out as all she plan, but she's okay with it. Okay?
I'm fine with my ex. We're amazing together, and who don't like it bite something hard.